Poster tubes. Types, applications, and benefits. This video will take an in-depth look at poster tubes. You will learn more about topics such as principle of poster tubes, types of poster tubes, applications of poster tubes, benefits and drawbacks of poster tubes. Chapter 1. Understanding the basics of poster tubes. Defining a poster tube. Design and utilization of poster tubes. Chapter 2. What are the different types of poster tubes? Telescoping poster tubes. Snap seal poster tubes. Triangular poster tubes. Plastic plug poster tubes. Metal poster tubes. Curled end poster tubes. Paper cap poster tubes. Square poster tube. Chapter 3. What are the various applications of poster tubes? Applications of poster tubes. Versatile solutions for document and item protection. Valuable and confidential documents. Maps, blueprints, and paperwork. Arts and crafts. Theater and film sets. Mortar tubes for fireworks. Construction work. Planting trees and seedlings. Packing camping backpacks. Additional applications and industry uses. Frequently asked questions. What is a poster tube used for? What types of poster tubes are available? How should I choose the right poster tube size? Which poster tubes are best for moisture-sensitive items? Are poster tubes eco-friendly or recyclable? Can poster tubes be used for applications outside of shipping and storage? Chapter 4. What are the benefits and drawbacks of using poster tubes? Benefits of poster tubes. Eco-friendliness. Safety. Sturdiness. Weight and space saving. Cost effectiveness. Customization. Document protection. Standout mail. Drawbacks of using poster tubes. High shipping rates. Not waterproof. Not fireproof. Easily targeted by offenders. Considerations when choosing poster tubes. Item dimensions. Item weight. Item fragility. Conclusion. Please visit www.iqsdirectory.com to find the right poster tube manufacturers for your needs.